morning, everybody. It's just after 6 a.m., 37 degrees out. I gotta be really careful because the ramp into the shop is ice and very, very slick. The first thing I intend to work on is getting this blueberry bush hopefully in a pot because I planted it in the wrong spot. Now this is our second attempt at growing a blueberry. The other one just did not do well at our hot temperatures. This one's meant for hot temperatures, so I hope I'm able to save it, but like I said, if I'm not, I'll just buy another one next spring. I think on the last blueberry we got like 3 berries before it finally died. And I do like a good blueberry muffin. Hopefully that's something we'll be able to produce on our own land very, very soon. That is done. Hopefully it survives. If not, we'll just buy another plant. Well, I split all of this stuff today from here to here, just little chunks to help me in starting the fire. They're for the most part dry. This is the crepe myrtle that we cut down right there, you guys might remember, but that's ready to go for a while. I'm actually pretty excited. I got a contractor coming by here shortly to kind of look at the layout and talk about the new shop. This one's going to be gone, it seems like sooner than I thought, so that's going to be amazing. I can't wait. I'm pacing, waiting, so come on. We'll see. Back in a flash. So I've got my truck over there running right now, just keeping the battery charged. I pulled it in the driveway of the old truck. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's hard to know what you guys can see and can't see on this camera. But I want to try to get it pulled as far forward as I can, which means I got to clean up the area around the trash cans and get them moved. And eventually this whole wood pile will be gone, so I'll be able to pull it like literally right up here. But I don't like it being parked out at the road. So I'm gonna work on today basically getting all the vehicles in the driveway. And then I'll probably call it quits for the day. One of my goals for this next year is to find a different place to stack the wood. I think I'll be stacking the firewood right where the shop is now once the new shop's built, but this is a horrible spot. Just takes all my parking away. Now you're going to see me here kind of rocking my truck back and forth quite a bit. That's because when I backed up and then I put it in first gear, it's a manual transmission, I kind of heard a clunk. and I was trying to reproduce it. I was able to a couple times, but I wasn't quite sure where it was coming from, so eventually, after rocking it back and forth, I just gave up and parked it. Okay, so all the cars fit. There's my truck there, my other truck there, and Zoila's car's parked out at the road, but that's plenty of room for that to fit there. Mission accomplished. Now there's room at the curb, and I don't have a truck parked out at the road like I have for so long now. So on to the next project. I might just get on the computer and start working on the plans for the new shop. I don't know yet. I'll have to kind of look around and see what I have to do, and then decide what I want to do. Good morning, everybody. It's about 6:30, 38 degrees outside. The shop actually stayed pretty clean this weekend. It's still full of crap, but it's usable at least. So I think today we're going to work on where the shop's being built, getting everything all cleaned up and tidied up, so then all we have to do is start digging footings. Really excited about that. And there is a lot to do. I've got the truck warming up. I gotta run down to the store and I'm gonna look at a new axe. So my current Cobalt axe, I don't know what it is, the epoxy or whatever at the top is cracked and it's made the head loose. And I just worry, I could picture a 6.5 pound axe head just flying off when I swing it. So I'm gonna go down and look at something different. I'm gonna look for something that's like wood that I can actually understand how to replace it. This Cobalt one, I don't know if you have to cut and drill it out, or I don't know. But I by no means will get rid of the Cobalt one because I really like it. I just have to figure out how to put a new handle on it. But in the meantime, I want something that I can actually use. So that's what I'm doing right now before I get back to the farm and get back to work. So they unfortunately do not open for another half hour. That's okay. I mean, I don't really need it, you know. It just, I figured I'd take a break this morning and go have a look. So now we'll get back to the farm. I might come back later. You know, I'm really excited about this shop. I kind of just want to get it done, but in due time. I'm really glad to have the idea finalized. I got plans and stuff to work on still, blueprints to draw up and everything, but we're definitely underway. I just gotta, today, like I said, I gotta clear out the spot where it's gonna go, so as much as I can. I still have stuff growing there that I don't want to destroy yet, so that is the plan. And what else do I have to do? Oh, I'm gonna take the drone and fly it up and look at the spark arrestor and the chimney cap. That ought to be pretty cool. I'll put that in the video. There is absolutely so much work to do over here before I'm able to even start thinking about digging the footings for the shop. This is just the beginning, and I'll be honest, I didn't finish it today. I still have that raised bed to move, that old clothes hanger thing I gotta get out of the way. And these rocks you'll see towards the end of this little skit, I went to move one and they are just super heavy. But it's all gotta get moved before I can start moving into the future, if you will, in the new and improved shop. Now the shop's going to be the same size as my current one. It's going to have taller walls, it's going to have 2 lofts in it, and it's going to be constructed out of wood on a cement slab, not a steel building on a wooden foundation. That was one of the biggest mistakes that I ever made. Alright, so I didn't expect this to come today, and I gotta tell you guys, I don't know, it's almost lunchtime. I kind of ran out of steam today, but I received my drill-powered stovepipe cleaner. We're gonna open it up. It's made in China. It's cheap. I think I paid like 20 bucks on Amazon for it. That's what it looks like there. You got your 4-inch and your 6-inch brush, and 24 feet, I think, of rod here. So let's get it open in such a way that we can close it again when we stash it away for the season. Where is my pliers? Here, these will probably work just as good. These staples out of here. Like I said, I don't want to totally hoop the packaging, although we might just have to, because I just noticed there's 1,000 staples in the top here. Those chickens are not having a good Sunday. Let's see if we can get these out without... Actually, we can actually probably cut them like that. usually not so delicate opening something, but like I said, I want to preserve the packaging as much as I can. There we go. Alright, so like I said, it's like a nylon. I don't know how well it's going to work. It's like a nylon brush. It's like the 4-inch one for the dryer vent. Got the 6-inch one for the stovepipe. This is the one I'm interested in because I have a 6-inch stovepipe. Then you've got all these guys. And I'm kind of assuming there's going to be one, and I would be wrong. I figured there's one that has like a drill end on it, but basically what these guys do is they just thread together. You just keep threading it together. Until you get to the bottom of your stovepipe. Now, since you guys can't really see this, I'll use the little brush since it fits in the camera better. So basically, I don't plan on using this with a drill. I just plan on, you know, by hand, which should work just fine. At least that's the thought for right now. I mean, I might change my mind and say, nope, I got to use a drill on this, but time will tell how well this contraption is going to work. I have high hopes for it, but all it has to do is clean my stovepipe. So I will talk to you guys again another time when we actually get a chance to use this. Well, everyone, the day kind of got away from me working. Just got the fire going. I'm going to end this video, and we'll see you on the next video.